Welcome to Bitcoin Day Trading, the best daily wave analysis, episode number 15. Today, we are going to take a look at the chart. From yesterday, there's not much of a change. We are still accomplishing wave 3. We go and take a look at that. I did a little relabeling, but nothing fundamentally has changed. And this intervention should be quite brief because I have a lot of things to do today, and it's the charts haven't changed. Our outlook stays the same as yesterday. So let's start with screen share and take a look at take a look at my website so I can show you the disclaimer. Please leave the disclaimer and the risk warning, just that you are aware that there are risks involved in trading. And if you want to reach out to a trader, I do one-on-one coaching, and I have a discount of 60% right now. My one-on-one coaching could help you with investing, swing trading, or day trading. And now let's get into the charts. So I'll start with the 3-hour chart. And here I did a little relabeling, not much, but a little. My relabeling was, I told you that I was not sure about that count, and I did relabel it. And now we see 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 5th wave is quite short, but it should pass. And that would be the 3rd wave of this impulse wave. 1, 2, 3. And right now we are accomplishing wave 4. And once we did that, maybe we already did, it could be over. We then will go up for wave 3. From here, wave 5, but that will be the 3rd wave of the 1, 2, and 3. And that the 3rd wave will put us to our bullish target that we have, which is 49,896.03. And I think that looks quite nice, and I don't have a bearish alternative right now. So in my opinion, we are fully bullish. That's for the 3-hour chart. So, and that's only wave 3. After wave 3, you get wave 4 and then wave 5. And that will be the 3rd wave, since we right now here wave 2 ended, and we are accomplishing wave 3 from here. Okay, now let's take a look at the 5-minute chart. On the 5-minute chart, you can see, you see to start, you see the impulse wave to start at here, and that which are subdividing. So you always get 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and again 1, 2, 1, 2. And now we are getting 3, 4, and we should get again 3 4s following, and the same amount than we had 1 2s. We should get 3 4s right now. Mistake. I did a mistake. Let's put it back on. Yeah, that's what I wanted to do. Okay, so now we are doing the 3 4s. So 3 4, and then again 3 4, and that should be, after those, we'll get 3-4 of those impulse waves. They all have names, but I don't know them by heart. This one is, let's take a look. This one is minuet, impulse wave, and they all have names. So when you look at the correction, it was a sideways correction. This one, wave 3-4 was sideways correction. And after that, we did wave 5. The counting here could be a little different in some cases, but I like this one because it's the simplest one, and I don't want to make it any more complicated. So I'm in the counting from wave 4 to wave 5. This is the simplest one. There can be some alternative, but they all say that we are accomplishing wave 5. And now we get the correction of wave 4 from A, B, and that could be C, it could be over. And the C wave retraces to the 4th wave of the last one. And then here's a 4th wave 2, but I think that one is the one that counts because that's the last impulse wave. And it's also a 32 retracement, a FIB. It's also the 32 level of a FIB retracement. So now that we have accomplished wave 4 of the sub-minuet wave, we are looking for wave 5 of the sub-minuet wave to bring us up to our target. And our target is still 49,896. Once we are at our target, we can raise our stop level to this level, because then you should, then wave 4 should not enter the territorium of wave 1. So we can then raise our stop level. But right now it would be premature. So right now our stop level is still 42,595. And our last stop level was 39,573. Okay, and that's all for today. Tomorrow we'll see if we did get our bullish target and we finished wave 3 of, can give you the name of the sub wave of the minuet wave. In that case, yeah, well, in that case, we reached our target and then we get a wave 4 correction, and then we should wave 5 of the minuet wave. So as you can see, we are doing wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we get wave 5. So now we see if we get our target of wave 3. I think that everything looks fine, so that should happen probably until tomorrow. That's it for today. As always, thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And hit the bell notification icon. I have still people who are watching my intervention of a couple of days ago instead of watching the last one. And you always should watch the last intervention. My videos are only up to date until the next video comes out. Then you should watch my last analysis, because when I get more data, then I can adjust my look. So you should not watch videos that are 1 week old. You should always watch the last intervention. That's why I recommend to you to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Okay, that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.